سڵاوخۆن کارانی خۆشەویست حەزم کرد لەسەر بابەتی ئۆپتیمایزیشن نمونەکان تەواوکەین گەشتینە ئێکسەرسایزەکان. For number 1, find two numbers whose sum is s and whose product is maximum. So let x be the first number and y be the second number. Sum is equal to s يعني is given. So madam given a sub equation and product is maximum. Maximum يعني أما maximum يعني شي يعني أما بابتي section 5 chapter 4 هو أما main equation كي چونك وشي maximum كي لقلايا كوات أما main equation كي وشي sum أزانين ك يعني plus sum of first and second. So align x plus y is equal to s. Product يعني multiply. Product whose product is a maximum يعني product x multiply y is equal to a. A is equal to maximum. So the main equation have two variables x and y. Must be changed to one variable by sub equation. So how can find y? By changing x from this side to another side. Y equal to s minus x. Input again la main equation كا. So a is equal to x times y يعني y يعني s minus x. So a is equal to x times s sx. X times x is x squared. Now we have just one variable, so I can take the derivative. So derivative of sx is equal to s because s is number, and derivative of x squared is equal to 2x. After that equal to 0, so s equal to positive 2x. So x equal about x over 2 by both sides divided by 2. So you can find the first number. How can find the second number? By putting x in the sub equation. So y is equal to s minus x يعني s minus s lesser 2 sorry s lesser 2. So 2 times s 2s minus 1s is equal to also s lesser 2 s over 2. So it's a first number and this one is the second number. How can find the maximum product? By putting x and y in the main equation. So a is equal to x times y يعني s over 2 multiply s over 2 is equal to s squared over 4. أوشتا. Example 1. About example 2, find two positive number whose the product is equal to 192 يعني product is given, so it is a sub equation because it is given, and sum يعني plus of the first يعني x and 3 times يعني 3 multiply second يعني y is maximum يعني كاتما main equation كيه maximum قدانين بأي is the maximum. Product is 192. Product يعني multiply between x and y is equal to 192. So a sub equation كيه. How can find y? By both sides divided by x. X with x cancel, so it's equal to 192 divided x. أما sub equation كيه. Input again the main equation. So a is equal to x plus 3 times 192 divided by x. So it's equal to x plus 574 divided 76 divided x. So Now I have just one variable, so I can take the derivative for both. Derivative of a is equal to a dash derivative of x is equal to 1, and derivative of 575 over x equal to negative 5 over 6 over x squared. After that is equal to 0. This minus change to another side is equal to positive 576 divide the x squared by crossover. X squared is equal to 576 by taking square root is equal to positive and negative 24, but for this example just is equal to positive 24 because the question calls find two positive number. So you can find the value of x. How can find the y? By putting in the sub equation. So y equal to 192 divided by x, يعني 192 divided by 24, so it's equal to 8. Y is equal to 8. After that, how can find the sum of the first and 3 times second is maximum. is maximum يعني find the a أو كاتا input x and y كين لأي چونك لإجزام داوي 8 ليكا داوي 2 number كلناكا لكتبك على find two positive number بس لإجزام على which one is the first, which one is the sum of the first and 3 times second, يعني find a. So then a is equal to x plus 3y, يعني x equal to 24 plus 3y, يعني plus 3 multiply 8 is equal to 48. أما فكري أو برسيارانين كداوي find two positive number كات یەکەم شت وەرە sub equation و main equation جاب کەرەوە پاشانیش main equation دوو variable تایە بۆی sub equation یەکی بە یەک variable و derivative وەرەگریت و equal to 0 find the x یەکەی کە find the x یەکە input کە لە sub equation find the y یەکەیت و هەردووچیان input کە لە main equation find the a یەکەیت. Another example, I have a question in test prep, example 6 in page 139 in your books. The sum of two positive number is equal to 60, يعني sum is given. What is the maximum product of one of them and the square of the other? So ببزانين sub equation و main equation لم questionاتي. Solution. Sum is 60, يعني sum is given, sum يعني plus of the first and second is equal to 60. أما sub equation كي. What is the maximum يعني A. Product يعني multiply of one of them يعني X and the square يعني Y كمان square of the other يعني Y كمان square. So أما main equation كي چونکە وشەی maximum مەگەی لەگەڵا بوو. So ئەڵێن چی؟ چەند variable مان هەیە؟ دوو variable. We have two variables. By this equation change یەکەین بۆ one variable. So لەبەرەوەی کە y کەمان square باشتر وایە x کە alone کەی. So ئەڵێن x equal بە 60 minus y. ئەمە sub equation کە input یەکەین لێرە. So a is equal to x يعني 60 minus y multiply by y square. So y square can multiply first and second again. Then a is equal to 60y square minus y cube, because y square times y is equal to y cube. After that, now you have just one variable, so I can take the derivative. 2 times 60 is equal to 120 y and 3y square. After that is equal to 0 by factoring by y is equal to 1. What's remain? 120 minus 3y is equal to 0. Now by 0 property, first equal to 0 or second equal to 0, يعني 120 minus 3y is equal to 0. Alam 0 ignore to find two positive number. So over audio line 120 is equal to 3y. Both sides divided by 3, so y equal to 40. Y equal to 40. How can find the first number by putting y in the sub-equation? So x equal to 60 minus y, يعني minus 40 is equal to 20. How can find the maximum product? So line A is equal to x multiplied by y squared. So A is equal to 20 multiplied by 40 squared is equal to 20 multiplied by 1600. So it's equal to 32,000. Amash Kawata party D is true for this example, and I hope you are successful inshallah. بدرجة برز هموتان ببینین و سرکوتو